This screencast is going to show you how to hyperlink documents into that embedded presentation that you made. And again, this works whether you're using a presentation or a Google document. Either one works. The advantage again to this is that whenever you edit and work within that document in your Google Drive, there's no need for you to log into Weebly. Whatever you do on this document automatically is going to upload over here. So if you look at how we've been doing things, we drag over a title box, a title text, we drag over a button, and then we hyperlink it or find the website that we want to link it to. This way, we can label what we want it to say and then link the document or the website or whatever it is to it. This is great for our students who are absent to get, we can just say, go to our website, check out what you missed on Monday. It's also great for us as we're teaching. From right now, all I do is I pull up my website and, as I go through our daily plan, I can click right on the document that I want. So when we start working on our dependent clauses, I can just click on it and that presentation opens right up. There's no need for me to search around for that document in my Google Drive. So this has been a time saver as far as planning, but it's also makes using your class time a little bit more efficient as well. So we are going to go back to this document that you were working on, and I'm going to show you from start to finish how when you make a new document, because there are a couple of sharing features that you do need to make sure are in place. So I'm going to create a document now. Let's say I'm making a practice verbs worksheet. I'm going to title it verbs. Okay, and what I do usually initially is share the document with my intervention specialist and with Christy, and that way all of us can add to it and work from the same document right from the beginning. So usually share that with everybody teacher-wise that needs to be in on that document. But then when I want to share it to the kids and make sure that they can access it, I have to go to this Get Shareable link. And we've done this before, I'm sure, with some of our other documents. I always put anyone with the link. I know if you're not worried about it, you can put it public on the web. But because I link everything together, I always set it up that way. And this allows anybody who has that link to view it. And usually I don't want the kids editing or commenting on it, but those are other features that you can do. So once that is shared, you have a link, copy link, that you can connect here. So maybe one other thing that we did in class today is verbs practice worksheet. And I want to hyperlink that. So I highlight the word or the phrase that I want hyperlinked. And then once it's highlighted, you go to Insert. In that drop-down menu, you'll find Link. It'll open up a little menu here. Oh, where'd my link go? And if you lose the link, you can just go back here to Share, copy link, apply it, and now it's out. All you have to do is click on that. If you're in the presentation itself, it'll bring up a little, like right below it, it brings up that address, and it opens your document. Now, if we look at how it looks in here, again, I'm not in my editing page of Weebly. This is just the live website. Go to sample homework page. We do know how slow Weebly can be, and it's right there. So when the kids want to access it, they just click on it, and as long as it's shared correctly, they can open right up on the document. And what we usually have the kids do with Google Classroom, you don't have to do this too much, but they can make a copy of it, or they can view it, or they can print it if they've lost their own. But you can do the same thing with presentation. So if you have a Google presentation, same feature, you share it, get shareable link. You just want to make sure that anyone with the link is checked or public on the web. The disadvantage to having them at Chardon schools with the link is if they try to access it at home, or if parents try to access it when they don't have their kids' logins. That seems to be a problem. I'm going to copy link, and maybe I want to put the presentation in there too, so that maybe I made some notes on there that I want the kids to be able to access. Now this, of course, is going to link right back to our same presentation. Okay, and again, I'm just going to go over to my website and refresh it. And there it is. If I click on it, takes us back to my presentation that I made. So let me know if this helps, or if there's anything else that, if it's not working for you, actually, let me know, and I'll sit down and we can troubleshoot.